Hey everyone, Eddie Campos here with Remax Preferred Associates. This is Home Maintenance 101, where we give you tips to help take care of your home so that your home takes care of you. So today, we're going to talk about changing your furnace filter. One of the reasons this is so important is you could end up with some harmful particles in the air, pollen, pet hair, dust. If you've got a family that has anyone who has allergies, you'll understand why it's important to help remove those things from the air. So the first step you're going to want to do is go to the furnace itself and determine what size filter you need. So for the purpose of this conversation, we'll be dealing with a furnace that has the filter located between the return side and the supply side of the air. It's possible that your furnace may have the filter located within the furnace itself, so you'll have to take those front panels off to get it out. So once you go to the furnace filter location, pull it out, determine what size that you need, run to your store, get your filters there. 3M offers a nice model that is good for about 90 days. It costs a little bit more, but you have to change it less frequently. So once you have your new filter in place, come back to your home, remove the old filter, and you're going to want to look at the side of the filter and make sure that the arrow is pointing the right way. So the arrow always points to the supply side of the furnace itself. So that's directly at the furnace. The large chamber that comes out through the side, that's the return portion. So the arrow should be pointing towards the furnace. Pull that out. Take your new filter, slide that right in, make sure that it's pointing to the supply side, and you're all set. And depending on your type of filter, should be good for at least 30 to 90 days. If these filters get clogged up, it can cause issues for the inside of the furnace. You can end up with some condensation issues, which ultimately could be shutting down your furnace, and now you're looking at high repair bills. And as always, I always recommend that you get in touch with a professional heating and air person to be able to take a look at your furnace every year, make sure it's in good operating order, make sure that your AC unit is in good operating order, and you can avoid, again, any larger repair bills in the future. If you have any questions, please reach out to me at 419-367-2667, DM me in social media, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.